Have you ever been suddenly blocked from a website, even after refreshing? This could be because your IP address was flagged. Today we'll explain what IP blocking is, how to fix it quickly, and share tips for preventing it. Your IP address acts like an online ID, allowing websites to recognize your device. But if you do things like excessively refreshing to grab tickets or using bots to scrape data, the site might block your IP temporarily. There are 5 common reasons for IP blocking. Frequent actions, such as repeatedly refreshing a ticketing website. Being detected as a bot, like using unauthorized bots to scrape data. Geo restrictions, where services like Netflix block certain region IPs. Shared IPs, where someone else on the same network triggers the block, affecting you as well. Security settings, where your IP gets blocked due to past association with spam or malicious activity. So, how can you quickly fix an IP block? Try this 3-step method. Restart your router to get a new IP, clear your browser cache, or use a VPN or proxy to hide your real IP address. If none of these work, your only option is to contact the website's support team or simply wait it out. Want to avoid IP blocks for good? Try IP rotation. Let Proxy 302 automatically assign you different IPs, preventing websites from recognizing you and bypassing geo restrictions. Whether it's grabbing limited items, scraping data, or streaming content across regions, you'll enjoy a smooth and uninterrupted digital experience.